Happy Valentine's.
Jules, happy Valentine's Day. We have some things for you. What do you see? A balloon?
Oh.
What's in this box? What do you think is in there?
Say donuts, Jules. Say donuts.
Donuts? And did you give him his bag? Give him his bag, Miles.
Like, wow, look at these. What about these you want? See?
Open your bag.
I can open it. Just open it, Jules. What's in here?